Hello, dear students and respected parents. My name is Fozia and I am a certified teacher with a master degree in Urdu. I have been teaching for 20 years and I have a bachelor degree of education which qualifies me to teach. I have extensive experience of teaching Urdu to the middle, secondary and higher secondary classes, and by the grace of Allah Almighty, my students consistently achieve 100% result in board examination. My teaching approach focuses mainly on concept clarity, exam oriented preparations, and confidence building. Online learning allows students and teachers to learn in a comfortable and flexible environment. So, if you are looking for a quality online education and personal attention, I would be happy to guide you in your learning journey. Thank you.